Okay, this is a Teardrop and it's owned by Tina, and here she is. And she's going to tell us about the Teardrop.
I'm not real sure about the year. I bought it in 2017. It was made from a kit, so it's probably about a 13, 14.
Okay.
It was made as a wilderness camper, and it's been converted to a little more modern. It's been totally remodeled because I got a leak in it, so we totally redid the inside toward the back and the whole back.
So the leak was probably in the back where the kitchen area was. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and it was all stainless steel back there, but now we got it's all wood back there now.
Okay, so let's see the kitchen. It's got quite a setup here. Got a microwave.
Toaster oven.
Got a toaster oven, and that's all built in. That's nice.
Yeah, and then storage. And this was where they originally kept their cooler.
Okay.
But being that a cooler is really heavy,
right,
I can't lift it in and out, so I use it as dry storage.
Just for storage now.
It's got power in there and everything, so I could put a refrigerator or something in there.
Okay. She got brownies.
Yes, and this pulls out in a pop-out sink.
Oh, and it has a collapsible sink in it. Okay.
And then this pushes all the way up in there.
You want to show me inside?
Sure.
This window here opens?
Yes.
Okay, so you've got some airflow there, and then another one on the other side?
Yeah, we added this one. It didn't have one in it, so and there's one on this side. TV, and it pulls out. And then all the cabinets are all storage. And the AC's down there.
Back up. Okay, so the air conditioner is back under there. As you can see it. Do you get air, or is the mattress blocking it?
It's actually, I probably won't be able to do it in the summertime, but this lifts up because I added different, it's got cushions that are individual, and this lifts up and makes like a...
There's a lot of storage under there. Yeah.
And it makes like a lounge chair. This raises up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and then more cabinets for storage.
This
There's
one's
a lot
real
of
deep.
storage. A little sunroof there opens up.
All the
And
lights.
that's storage up there with little lights.
And then...
And how much does it weigh, do you know?
It's about 1,200 pounds, I think.
Okay.
Give or take.
I like this fabric.
Yeah.
It's flannel.
And this,
A cute little sign. And then
This
there's
is
more
all
storage in the front.
which carries a lot of
It
stuff.
goes all the way through?
Mm-hmm. It is.
Yeah. That's nice. Definitely a bonus. Alright, and there's the other side, and another storage door. And more storage in there. Yep.
And it's got a little cooler holder on the side in there.
So you can travel with the cooler on there all the time?
Put a bungee cord or something on it. I don't. It's a good place to put the ice cooler.
And this is what you hear right here. Look at that. We're at Moonshine Creek Campground in Sylva, North Carolina. And that's our tour for today. So thank you, Tina.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next camping trip. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so just a note, Tina just told me that her camper is for sale. So if you're looking for one, get in touch with her and she can tell you what about your asking price.
I'm asking for $6,800.
And I'm going to post her email address for you, and you can get in touch with her personally if you're interested. So I'm going to show you again the kitchen. This is all redone. This is all wood here, and it was all redone. So get in touch with her if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Bye.